Welcome to the Cover Crunch YouTube channel, where we dive deep into the world of insurance to help you make smarter financial decisions. In today's video, we are going to talk about something that many car owners often overlook: personal accident cover on car insurance. It is one of those add-ons that might seem unnecessary at first, but when you look closely, it could make a huge difference in the event of an unfortunate accident. We will explore whether the extra cost is truly justified for the level of protection it provides. Stay with us as we break it all down in detail so you can decide if it is right for you. Personal accident cover is an optional add-on available when you purchase or renew your car insurance. It is designed to provide financial assistance in case of bodily injury, disability, or death caused by a car accident. Unlike your regular car insurance, which covers vehicle damage and third-party liabilities, personal accident cover focuses solely on protecting the people inside the car. The cover amount varies depending on your insurer and the plan you choose. Some policies automatically include it for the owner-driver, while others require you to add it separately for passengers. The key benefit of personal accident cover is peace of mind. No one plans for an accident, but they can happen anytime, no matter how careful you are. This coverage ensures that in case of serious injury or permanent disability, you or your family receive a financial payout to help with medical costs and recovery. In tragic cases involving the loss of life, the policy provides financial compensation to your loved ones. This payout can make a big difference during emotionally and financially stressful times. However, one question many people have is whether the extra cost is justified. In most cases, the additional premium for personal accident cover is relatively affordable. But affordability does not always mean necessity, especially if you already have comprehensive health or life insurance. That is why it is important to look at what your existing policies cover before paying extra. You might already be protected against similar risks under your health or life insurance plan, which could make the add-on redundant. When deciding whether to include personal accident cover, it helps to understand the coverage limits. Most policies have a fixed payout structure. For example, a typical personal accident cover may offer a maximum payout of a certain amount in case of death or total permanent disability. Lesser amounts might be offered for partial disabilities, such as the loss of a limb or eyesight. While these payouts provide financial help, they may not always cover long-term medical expenses, especially in serious accidents requiring months of rehabilitation or treatment. Another factor to consider is that some car insurance policies automatically include a basic level of personal accident cover for the driver. This standard coverage might be limited, usually covering only the policyholder, not passengers or family members. If you regularly drive with others in your vehicle, you might want to extend the coverage to include passengers as well. This ensures that everyone in the car has some level of protection in case of an accident, and it can be done by paying a small additional premium. In addition to compensation for death and disability, some personal accident covers also provide benefits like medical expense reimbursement. This means that if you are hospitalized after an accident, the insurer may pay for your hospital bills up to a certain limit. These benefits can be extremely useful, especially if your regular health insurance policy has a high deductible or limited accident-related coverage. This additional financial support helps reduce your out-of-pocket expenses and gives you extra confidence every time you hit the road. That being said, personal accident cover also comes with exclusions. Most insurers will not pay claims if the accident occurs under certain conditions, such as driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs, driving without a valid license, or using the vehicle for illegal activities. Some policies also exclude coverage for accidents caused by war, terrorism, or natural disasters. Therefore, always read your policy document carefully and ask your insurer for clarification before you buy or renew your coverage. Another question many car owners ask is who really needs this coverage. The truth is that it depends on your individual situation. For instance, if you are a daily commuter who spends a lot of time on the road, your risk of being involved in an accident is naturally higher. In that case, having personal accident cover is a smart choice. Similarly, if your family relies on your income, this coverage ensures that they are financially protected even in your absence. For occasional drivers or those with strong existing insurance coverage, it might be less critical, but still worth considering for extra peace of mind. You should also look at the flexibility offered by different insurers. Some companies allow you to customize your personal accident cover according to your needs. You can choose higher coverage amounts, add protection for passengers, or even include roadside assistance and medical evacuation benefits. Customization allows you to balance cost and protection, ensuring you only pay for what you actually need. Comparing policies from multiple insurers before making a decision can help you find the best deal for your situation. If you are a commercial driver or someone who uses their car for work-related travel, personal accident cover can be particularly valuable. The risk of road accidents is significantly higher when you spend long hours driving. For drivers in professions such as delivery services, ride-sharing, or logistics, this coverage acts as a safeguard for both income and health. It ensures that in the event of an accident, you receive compensation for any physical injuries that prevent you from working, which can help maintain financial stability during recovery. When evaluating whether personal accident cover is worth the extra cost, consider the claim process as well. The ease and speed of claim settlement can vary from one insurer to another. Some companies offer fast, hassle-free claims with minimal paperwork, while others might require extensive documentation. Before choosing a policy, research customer reviews and check how efficiently the company handles claims. A policy with a simple, transparent claim process is always a better choice, especially in times of emergency. It is also important to remember that personal accident cover is generally valid only while you are driving or inside the insured vehicle. If an accident happens while walking, cycling, or using public transport, this coverage does not apply. In those situations, separate personal accident or health insurance policies are needed. Therefore, personal accident cover should be seen as a supplement to your broader personal insurance portfolio, not a replacement for other essential policies. Some people assume that because they are careful drivers, they do not need personal accident cover. However, accidents are not always caused by your mistakes. Even if you drive safely, other road users might be reckless or distracted, leading to accidents beyond your control. In such cases, having this additional protection can be a lifesaver. It ensures that you or your family do not face financial strain due to an accident that was not your fault. Another aspect worth discussing is the financial practicality. The cost of adding personal accident cover is usually minimal compared to the total premium of your car insurance policy. Considering the level of protection it offers, the cost-benefit ratio is quite favorable. Even if you never have to use it, knowing you have that safety net in place can give you immense confidence and security while driving. For many, that peace of mind alone justifies the additional expense. While evaluating your options, always compare the features, exclusions, and claim limits of different insurers. Some companies might offer extra benefits, such as family cover, worldwide coverage, or even accidental hospital cash benefits. Others may provide basic coverage with lower premiums but fewer inclusions. Choosing the right plan involves balancing affordability with the quality of protection you receive. You should also ensure that your chosen insurer is reputable and financially stable. Insurance is about trust, and you want to make sure your provider will be there when you need them the most. Look at the company's claims settlement ratio, customer service reputation, and years of experience in the industry. These factors will help you determine if the insurer can deliver on its promises when an accident occurs. In summary, personal accident cover is a valuable addition to your car insurance policy, offering financial protection in situations where standard coverage falls short. For many drivers, it is a smart and affordable way to protect themselves and their loved ones from the financial impact of unforeseen accidents. Whether the extra cost is justified depends on your individual needs, lifestyle, and existing insurance coverage. Taking a little time to evaluate these factors can help you make a sound financial decision. At Cover Crunch, our goal is to help you understand your insurance options so that you can drive with confidence and peace of mind. Personal accident cover might seem like a small add-on, but in reality, it can make a significant difference during tough times. If you value security and want to ensure your family's financial safety, it is worth considering this coverage. Remember to read your policy details carefully and consult your insurance provider for personalized advice. Thank you for watching this video on Cover Crunch. We hope this review helped you understand whether personal accident cover is worth the additional cost. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to our channel Cover Crunch for more insurance insights, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Your feedback means a lot to us, and we are always here to answer your questions and guide you through your insurance journey.